Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Toyota RAV4. With less than 90,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This can-do RAV4 puts fun, refined comfort, and capability into your daily drive. It delivers a solid, stable ride, spacious and convenient cabin, the latest infotainment and driver assistance tech, agile handling, and chiseled good looks. You'll love its clever cargo storage solutions, premium feel, and must-have fuel efficiency. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: lane departure warning, sun, moonroof, keyless entry, lane keeping assist, fog lamps, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls. Optimize your driving experience in this rugged yet refined RAV4. Our team of courteous professionals will help you make the most of your vehicle search. Kick it off with a fun, easy, and informative test drive.